So hi guys, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, we will be unboxing this Spigen Thin Fit case for iPhone 16 Pro Max. So sa mga naghahanap ng case na gusto lang ay wag bulky at mag-safe na din at the same time pero yung price niya ay reasonable, you can choose this brand. Anyway, this is not a sponsored video, but this is one of my favorite brands ng iPhone cases because mahilig talaga ako sa mga cases. So, one of the best brands I know is ito, yung Spigen. So, it's not Spigen or it's Spigen. Anyway, this is made in Korea, brand in Korea, and may mga counterfeit siya nito sa market. So, be sure to purchase from a legitimate Spigen store. Usually sa mga malls. Yan. So, today, titingnan natin kung ano yung fit niya sa phone. Okay? So, eto siya. Ching! Ayan. So, this is made of plastic back, matte plastic back, and rubber sides. So, as you can see, wala siyang cover dito sa button na to. Unlike with other Spigen cases na meron siyang cover. Pero, like this one. Pero dito, wala. So, guys, ito yung mga buttons niya. Very pulido yung pagkakagawa. Ayan. Combination of plastic and rubber. Ayan. And, ito, meron siyang MagSafe. Ayan yung loob. So, as you can see, it's not bulky. Manipis lang siya and very fit to the hand. And, of course, hindi nagmamarka masyado yung fingerprint because it's matte. And, of course, the Spigen logo. Ayan. This is, I think, maraming available colors nito, pero this one is metal slate color. I think they also have black for this one. Ayan. Ayan siya. So, let's see kung maganda yung fit niya sa phone. So, kabit natin ang ating phone. Uy, ito tawag. Ayan. Si Abigail. Tinatawagan ako ni Miss Abigail. Ayan. Ang ganda niya, guys. Very sleek and very fit sa kamay. And I'm using a full tempered glass. Next time, guys, I will make a video regarding dito sa tempered glass ko kasi this is my favorite tempered glass talaga. My favorite brand ng tempered glass na binili ko online sa Lazada kasi talagang sobrang mamahalin niya. Yung quality niya sobrang mamahalin pero yung price niya mura lang. Then, ang ganda niya kasi yung fingerprint, hindi siya halos nagmamark yung fingerprint. Ayan. So, hindi din niya inaangat yung tempered glass. Kahit naka-full tempered ako, hindi inaangat. Because some cases, umaangat yung tempered glass kapag ka-fit. Pag ganito ka-fit, umaangat yung tempered glass pag full. But for this one, hindi siya umaangat. So, very ganda siya. Ang ganda niya, guys. Very nakaka-social tignan. And, parang for professional people, for corporate people to siya. Hindi na siya kikay. Hindi ako kikay this time. Ayan. So, ang ganda ng mga buttons. Very pretty yung combination ng rubber and yung plastic. And the color. Ayan. So, yun lang, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and if you like this video, kindly leave a comment or like my video. Bye bye.